over 15 inches in one single June day back in the 1940s. There was not a tropical system nearby during that time, right? Or at least not a named one. There may have been one of these, right? A trough of low pressure that has deep tropical moisture that is going to be getting thrown towards the Texas and Louisiana coast. We do not have, by any stretch, an organized tropical low at this point, and yet
This voice is not licensed. Please visit www.kepstrel.com to purchase a license. CVIL authorities have issued a law enforcement warning to help you understand to talk and have premison. And call the lifeguards if you want to have your life back, which is for the following counties. Please register me. Just Westerly. Call now 800-711-2334.